Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Knoxville Divergence Indicator. Alright, the Knoxville Divergence Indicator. Now, this indicator is a nice indicator, especially for those who are seeking early alerts for potential trend reversals. All right, it's a custom indicator, so you would have to download the indicator if you do not have it yet. And after doing that, you will need to put the indicator in your indicators library for the MetaTrader platform. After that, you will then be able to load the indicator on your charts. Okay, because without adding the indicator to your indicators library for the MetaTrader platform, you will not be able to add the indicator to your chart. Okay, so take note of that. And after adding the indicators to the library, you will need to restart your terminal. Okay, you will need to restart the MetaTrader terminal before you will be able to add the indicator to your chart. So I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. This is the Knoxville Divergence Indicator. All right, I have added the indicator to the chart. Let's see if everything is set correctly. All right. Now, one thing to know with this indicator is that the indicator helps you to identify divergence on the chart. Okay, so it's only when a divergence signal has formed that you will find the indicator appear. All right, so that was the reason why I had to scroll back to check if I can find any levels where the indicator appeared on the chart. Okay, because divergence is a concept that may not always appear on the chart. Okay, it appears sometimes. So the only time you will find this indicator, although the indicator has been added to the chart, but the only time you will find the indicator give a signal is when there is a divergence signal. If there is no divergence signal, you will not find any action by the indicator, because this indicator identifies divergence between price movements and momentum. Okay, the divergence is between price movement and momentum in order to highlight potential reversal zones. So this indicator combines the divergence with overbought and oversold RSI values. Okay, I need to explain exactly how the indicator works so that you can understand properly. So it combines the divergence with overbought and oversold RSI values in order to confirm the strength of the reversal signals. Okay, now these insights allow traders to detect trend shifts early, enabling them to prepare for buy or sell opportunities. All right, so if you are a fan of divergence, then this indicator is going to come useful because it automatically identifies divergence for you. You will not have to identify the divergence manually anymore. Okay, for example, in this case, the indicator identified that there was a bearish divergence incoming. Now, for the fact that this indicator identifies divergence on the price chart, it means that you might not even necessarily need to add a momentum oscillator on the chart unless if you want to use it for confirmation. And I am going to recommend using momentum oscillators for confirmation or any other indicator of your choice actually. So when you find a signal by this indicator, just know that it's a divergence signal. Okay, because it's just divergence signals that it gives. When you find a signal like this, it shows that there is a divergence, there is a bearish reversal incoming. Now, this indicator does not guarantee profits. Okay, it is not foolproof. There is no strategy that guarantees profit. There is no strategy that is foolproof. In as much as the divergence strategy is quite an effective one, it does not always play out 100%. There are times when a divergence signal might appear, but eventually the price might not go according to plan. Okay, it happens sometimes. Okay, so take note of that. So when you get a signal by the Knoxville Divergence Indicator above the price action or above the candlesticks, when you find the divergence signal appear above the candlesticks, it's a sign to sell. All right. On the other hand, if you find the divergence indicator appear below the candlesticks. If you find such appear below the candlesticks, this was another sell example. This was another bearish divergence example, and you can see that the price sold afterwards. I'm checking to see if we can find any bullish example. This was another bearish divergence example. You can see in this case, this was a bullish trend, right? This was a bullish trend. In as much as the indicator gave us a sell signal, the reverse, this was not a reversal. I can't call this a reversal. This was just a pullback. So in this case, the signal from this indicator would have possibly deceived some traders if they did not pay attention to what was happening around here, or if they did not get extra confirmations, because bearish divergence indicates bearish reversal. All right, irregular bearish divergence, actually irregular bearish divergence indicates bearish reversal. So in this case, we did not have a reversal. What we had was a pullback. So that is the reason why we should always pay attention to confirmation. Make sure that you always use trend lines, support and resistance levels. Okay, pay attention, because in this case the price pulled back to this support zone. Remember that resistance and support levels are actually zones. All right, so it pulled back to this zone and it continued in the direction of the trend. The price continued going in the direction of the trend, in as much as we eventually had a reversal here. We had a reversal, but this particular move where the divergence occurred, this particular move was a pullback and not a reversal. Okay, so had it been we had made use of let's say the MACD or any other indicator just for confirmation, we would have seen that we still had bullish momentum. Can you see the zero level for the MACD? The zero level has been pushed down because of how strong the bullish momentum was. Look at how long the histogram bars were. So the bullish momentum was quite strong. So in this case, this bearish reversal that was identified, in as much as the bearish divergence was the bearish divergence signal was true. As we can see, the bearish divergence signal was actually true, because the MACD is showing that there was actually a bearish divergence here. But the divergence signal in itself, did not play out as expected, because we did not have a reversal. Okay, so that is to show you that no strategy is guaranteed. Even the divergence itself is not always 100% accurate. All right, losses are part of the game, but if you play your game right, your profits will surpass your losses. Okay, so in addition to the momentum indicators and the Knoxville Divergence Indicator itself, I would also recommend using a trend following indicator such as the moving average to confirm your signals. Because the Knoxville Divergence Indicator is a divergence indicator, if you are using a momentum indicator to confirm signals, it might not be sufficient enough. Because, for example, if a divergence is identified and we do not have a reversal, the momentum indicator is going to confirm that divergence, like what happened here. But if that divergence in itself do not eventually play out, then the momentum indicator that you are using to confirm your trade might not have exactly served the purpose you intended. Okay, but in this case, if you are using a moving average, depending on the time frame you're working on, because this is a daily time frame, let me change it to 50. Depending on the moving average you are, depending on the period you are, the time frame you are working on, you are analyzing, you set your period accordingly. All right, if you are analyzing the 4 hours or daily time frame or above, you can use the 50 period, the 50 EMA. If you're working with a 1 hour time frame and below, you can use the 15 or 20 period EMA. All right, so in this case, can we see that the moving average did not confirm the sell? The price was still bouncing above the moving average. The price was still trading above the moving average all this while, showing that there was still strong bullish pressure. So it was not until this point before we had an actual reversal and the moving average confirmed it. Okay, so when you want to confirm the signals from this Knoxville Divergence Indicator, make use of moving averages. All right, you can also add on momentum indicators like stochastic or MACD or RSI, but please add moving averages also for your confirmation. Okay, it's very important. And make use of make use of trend lines, make use of horizontal support and resistance levels. They also play key roles, all right, to help you identify potential reversal points. Okay, it's very important. So basically that is it for this video. How do you trade divergence? Before we round up the video, how do you trade divergence? When a divergence has been spotted, for example, let us use this example that was valid, okay? When a divergence has been spotted, basically what you should do is, since this is a bearish divergence, what you have to do is to sell, right? It's as easy as that. You can sell after the divergence has been confirmed. Please, after you've confirmed the signal, you go ahead and sell, and you set your stop loss above the swing high. And for your take profit, you would have to make use of other indicators to confirm, because the divergence indicator is not going to give you an exit signal. All right, it won't give you an exit signal. So you have to use price action, use other indicators, use support and resistance levels, anyone, you can use anyone to confirm your exits. All right. So once you have found a possible exit point, then you go ahead and exit your trade. Okay. For a buy trade, you can use resistance zones, you can use other indicators to confirm your exits. So basically that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.